how you can do that. So first of thing is, I'm not uploaded many images. I just draw these images. Very simple illustration. You don't need to have extremely high knowledge in Illustrator. You just need to have very small knowledge about how you can draw these icons, how you can draw these how you can uh, uh, how you can draw these simple icon on Illustrator. You just need to learn Adobe Illustrator only. And Illustrator is not hard um, for beginners to learn. You can learn a lot of uh, things about Illustrator from YouTube, and you just need to type Adobe you just need to type Adobe Illustrator, and there is a tons of tutorial around here. So, and you just need to learn how the drawing how you do the drawings, and after that you just go to Shutterstock and upload it. That's how I did that, and you can see these icons are very simple, not hard for anyone. These are the very simple icons, very simple icons, and you just need to continuously draw it. And you can see these are very similar, but pattern is different, and this is the way you can continuously grow your portfolio. So I uploaded over 7,000 images, and I'm doing this continuously every week, so uploading images. So go to shutterstock.com and just upload as much as images you can, as much as vectors you can, and uh, grow your passive income opportunities.